In this video we will learn how to add employee station in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the organization module on top navigation bar. Click on constant form. The form consists list of forms. The user can use the search bar to find the desired form. Here you can see the Manage Employee Station form. Click on Add New Employee Station button. Pop will be visible. Fill the field with required employee station and code. If required, select Station Head, HR Manager and Account Manager from drop-downs, and click on Save button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.